Week 3 homework help again. This is Jerry. Take a look at problem number 26. So it reads, it's from the Fundamentals of Mathematics, page 683. Actual exercise number in there is 11.10.23. And it says, 3 consecutive even integers add to minus 36, negative 36. Sorry, what are they? So let's read that again. 3 consecutive even integers add to negative 36. So what are we looking for? I say we're looking for 3 numbers. We're looking for A, B, and C. And they're supposed to be consecutive even integers. So what do we know about consecutive even integers? Well, it turns out that we know that the second one would be this first one plus 2, right? That's how you get an even consecutive number. If you think about it, consecutive even numbers are like 2, 4, 6, 8. It's just the previous number plus 2. So we can add an equation in here just from what we know from that first sentence. B is equal to A plus 2. And because we know they're consecutive and even, well, we do this in 2 steps, right? This would equal B plus 2. But since B equals A plus 2, we also know that C is really equal to A plus 4, right? So you would logically substitute in this A plus 2 into this B, and you get A plus 2, which is A plus 4. Okay? Does that make sense to everybody? Now, so what we're really looking for is the letter A, but the rest of the sentence says, let me read it again. 3 consecutive even integers, A, B, and C, add to equal negative 36. So we've got A plus B plus C equals minus 36. Okay, negative 36. Okay, so what I say we do is we can substitute in the location of B right here and make it all terms in terms of the variable A. And the same thing with C. So we can take this, which is in terms of A, the variable A, and we can replace it for C. So when we do that, we get A plus B, right? I might as well copy it down so I don't mess it up, equals negative 36. So A stays the same. B in terms of A would be A plus 2. And C in terms of A is A plus 4 equals negative 36. So now what we have to do is isolate our variable on one side of the equal sign, the one side of the equation, and all the consonants over to the other side. So we have 1, 2, 3 A's. So we have 3A plus, these are nothing special, I just put the parentheses in there so we know that when we defined B, we just redefined B by substituting in the value we had established up here for B. So we got 3A plus 2 and 4, 6 equals negative 36. So we move the 6 over, negative 6, negative 6. We get 3A equals negative 42. Now we divide both sides by 3, or multiply times 1/3. And we get A equals negative 14. Now remember, when you're going negative, you're still negative, but you're going to add 2 to it. So if A, we now have A equal to negative 14, B must be negative 14 plus 2, so that's negative 12. And C must be A plus 4, or negative 14 plus 4, which is negative 10. So now if we just go back to the original equation, A plus B plus C equals negative 36. If we substitute it in, we get negative 14 plus negative 12 plus negative 10. which I'm hoping works out. That's 26, right? Negative 26, negative 36. Indeed, that's a check. Okay?